Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to those of you around the world. Welcome to the daily Trade the Chain crypto update, where we give you everything you need to know for the next 24 hours and hopefully the next few days. Today is Tuesday, November 1st, and we are at the top of a brand new month. We have FOMC tomorrow, so that's likely going to bring the next set of fireworks. I have a feeling we probably won't see a whole lot of volatility until then. Ethereum sentiment bullish, BNB, XRP. Then we've got Solana and a few others that are bearish, Tron. So definitely some topsy-turvy sentiment as we head into FOMC. Bitcoin sentiment tipping bullish again, but still hovering around that 50 level. Trading volume is up. Ethereum daily sentiment bullish still, trading volume also up. So good signs for those assets ahead of FOMC. We have equities futures, which are hanging out just above 3850. This is pretty much the center of the range. Hold 3850 and we could attack 3900 again. Lose 3850 and you're pretty much down at 3800 again, which coincides with the 1 hour 200 moving average in the bottom of the range. It does seem likely that we'll probably end up seeing that before tomorrow, but of course we have to lose 3850 first. Looking at Bitcoin, in this range, still hovering above the 200-day moving average on the 1 hour. If we can stay above 20.4, then we have to flip 20.5, and then we have to flip 20.8, and then you make it to 21K. If we lose 20.4K, then we head down to 20.2K and 20K as supports. And of course, if we lose 20K, then we're pretty much back down to 19.2 relatively quickly. And this should continue to follow equities. So if equities move higher, I would expect Bitcoin and vice versa if it moves lower. And then for Ethereum, we are, beneath, the ideal trading range. We deviated underneath it yesterday. We could be deviating underneath it again. Ideally, you break above 1580, and then you have 1600 to break above, and then you can start moving higher to 1650 or above. If we lose, if we confirm lose, 1560, then we're down to probably 1540. And if we lose 1540, then it's 1510 and 1480. So this will also likely follow equities. It does look like it's trying to hold on. We did see deviation from here yesterday, very similar pattern. So I'm not ready to short this just yet, but it will definitely likely continue to follow equities no matter what. And of course, the dollar had some serious volatility this morning and into the afternoon session. It's underneath the 200-day moving average. So as long as this is underneath the 200-day moving average, risk should continue higher. If it breaks above the 200-day moving average, then risk will continue lower. So we're pretty much, I think we're going to end up being in a holding pattern until FOMC. FOMC is going to be right around this right here. So we've only got about 24 more hours until FOMC. So maybe we just kind of pop and do this for the next 24 hours and hover above the 100-day move or 200-day moving average in the 1 hour. Very similarly for ETH, we hover around here until it tags the 200 moving average, which will come in about 24 hours or less. So good luck, happy trading. Tomorrow, of course, is the big day. We have a FOMC announcement at 2 p.m. 75 basis points is expected. Anything above 75 basis points is bearish. Anything below 75 basis points is bullish. 75 basis points without hawkish language is bearish. 75 basis points with 75 basis points with hawkish language is bearish. 75 basis points with dovish language is bullish. Given what BlackRock said, people will be looking for quote unquote pivot language, talking about the steepening of the federal funds rate and potential topping of inflation. So that's what we'll be looking for. We know our key levels. We really do want to hold 20.4 for Bitcoin, and we really do want to hold 1560 for ETH, and then we could potentially head higher. So good luck, happy trading. Speak to everybody tomorrow.